As I said and suggested, we have competition, and the competition is called the millennials. And what happens nowadays with the companies and the products, the services, the governments, they are adapting to the new culture. See, the millennials, they will be 40% of the workforce in the US by 2025. See, in 6 years, maybe, these guys with a different mentality than us, like my kid, she's 7 and she already has like an Instagram channel, a YouTube channel. They grab the phone and they do videos so quickly. See, they like it. They see that, of course, they play with the phone, with the social media, but they know already, they already understand that this is for communicating what you do, what you like. It's a different mindset. We are still on that mentality that we must be private, we must keep these, we must have a separate Facebook account, friends and family. And these guys, they don't think this way. And that, as a result, the market is changing to adapt to these people. We won't have jobs that you're going to stay in a job for 10 years, 15 years. Like my father worked for 25 years at IBM in Brazil. When I came to Ireland, first thing that I wanted is to work for IBM. I'm also in IT, IBM. I got a job at IBM. I hate it. See my point here. And they didn't want me there either because they don't want professionals for 10 years. They want to like keep swapping the professionals, keep moving these professionals in between projects. They want to move, put that guy in another country, bring that other manager, put together with that guy until they have the perfect, efficient team to deliver a project that must be quick. See? They are saving money everywhere they can because of the competition that they face, even IBM or smaller companies. And we are in a market in Europe that it's made of 95% of companies are SMEs. Do you know SMEs? Small, medium enterprises. Means companies that they don't go over 2 million in revenue. It looks a big number for us, but for businesses, that's nothing. So they are small, medium enterprises. 95% of companies are like these. And 95% of these companies, they are assembling teams for specific projects and missions. See? Like a very, very crude example. See, we are in partnership. We are a different company in partnership with Seda College. It's a partnership that their business joined we joined their business to deliver these for these next 30 days. It's a project. See, when it finishes, we might do this again or part ways, but that's how companies behave nowadays. Instead of having like the owner and Danny and the owner of the company there thinking, we need to deliver the immersion, let's hire 5 people for only 30 days, it's craziness. Let's not hire them. Let's hire a company. That's how it works nowadays. Companies hiring companies the more they can, small teams, small companies, hiring small companies. See? What I'm trying to do here is to change and show you here, first, how things work in Europe, and second, trying to change your mindset because I'm also Brazilian. And I know that Brazil, it's... oh no, let's plug these 25 people for these 30 days so that we can, go for the bidding process and that we have the cash, the how things go there. Not only in Brazil. When you come to Europe, you learn that there are many, many other countries like Brazil in the world that they do perhaps worse. It's difficult to believe that, but perhaps worse. Like Russia, India. They are beautiful and nice countries, smart people, but the corruption also eats them up. See? And but the world is not going towards that. It's going towards quicker and smaller and more practical things. So as professionals, that's my point here. As professionals, you must think that you will be working for a company for 6 months' time. And once you get there, you got to start thinking, what is next? What's my next job? What is my next client? I'm doing this, or what is next? Keeping the pipeline of projects and work coming for you. Bring the mentality to Brazil as well, you'll be successful, more than you are.